Hey there, JD9FIA. I'm going to show you these 5 ones you can do, and it's kind of like a little exercise you can do, and it sounds pretty cool, especially when you kind of jump around. Alright, so what I'm doing, just basically, I'm playing 5-1 chord, 5-1, 5-1. Anytime you look at your major scale, we'll look at C. Alright, but for any scale, you have your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, la, ti, do. So no matter what, ti to do, that's your 7 to 1 scale degree. It's going to be a half step there. And so that's going to lead for a smooth transition. So anytime I play that 7 to 1, ultimately what I'm playing is a 5 chord inverted to play 7, 1. Alright, so let me show you what I'm doing here. And so basically, anytime you go to any chord, you can precede it by playing the 7, the half step below it, as a 5-1. Alright, so let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm taking a look at C here. I'm going to my 5 chords, C, D, E, F, and G. G is my 5th scale degree. So I'm going to play a G major chord. Alright, but I'm going to play it first inversion. B, D, and G. And in my left hand, I'm going to play the 3 of G, or in our case, we're going to look at it as the 7, or the half step below the chord we're going to. And it's going to set you up to go to C major. Alright. Alright. Look at another chord here. Look at, say we want to go to A major. Alright. Half step below A is the A flat, G sharp, sorry. So I'm going to play that 5 chord of A, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm playing an E major chord, but I'm playing it first inversion. So instead of playing E, G sharp, and B, playing G sharp, B, and E. G sharp in the bass. Alright, so ultimately this is a 5 chord. It's an E major chord. Alright, but I'm playing it inverted to get up the half step to set me up to A major. Alright, go to one more comment. Let's go, say we're going to E flat. E flat major. Alright, half step below E flat is D. Alright, the 5 chord in E flat is E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. So B flat is our 5. We're going to play a B flat major chord first inversion. So B flat major, B flat, D, and F. Make that first inversion. We got D, F, and B flat. Alright, we're going to play the bottom of that chord, a D. So this is the 3rd of B flat. Alright, with a half step below E flat to get us to E flat. So you just do that all over the keyboard. I'm not going to go through all of them, but all over. Alright, go a half step below it. Play the 5 chord of that. So I'll give you one more. Say I'm want to go to B major. Alright, so a half step below B. Alright, first of all, the 5 chord in B is G sharp, or sorry, F sharp. Alright, so I'm playing an F sharp major chord, first inversion. Alright, inverting it. Alright, but with the B flat in the bass, the 7, half step below where I'm going to my B major. Alright, so you take it all around the piano, up, down, however you want to. Alright, a good way I like to do is go down, I'm sorry, in minor third. So I'm going C to D flat, down a minor third to B flat, down a minor third to A flat, down to minor third of G flat, and then just finish it out however you want to. Alright? Also, good to remember, anytime you playing your chords, these are the same chords you're going to use when going through your 7 chord. Alright? 7, 1. Alright? Alright, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.